In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up your Shopify store in just a few easy steps. Starting your journey on Shopify can seem daunting, but with a little guidance, you'll quickly find that it's both straightforward and rewarding. Let's dive right in and transform your ideas into a thriving online store. First, you want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page of your Shopify store. This page is your command center where you'll manage everything about your store. From this hub, you can keep track of your sales, manage your inventory, and even customize the look of your site. It's truly the nerve center of your online business. Next, look towards the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the page. Find the Online Store option and click on it. This section is your gateway to customizing the storefront that your customers will see. The online store menu is filled with tools to help you curate the perfect digital space for your business. Whether it's updating your theme or adding new pages, this is where the creative magic happens. Once you're in the online store section, you'll see the Design Your Store in Seconds option. Click on this to dive into the exciting world of store design. It's here that you get to impart your personal flair and style, making your store uniquely yours. Shopify offers a wide range of design tools that cater to both the inexperienced and veteran users, ensuring there's something for everyone. After that, you will see the option to Generate Themes. Give this a click to start the process of selecting and customizing the perfect theme for your store. The themes are templates that set the tone and aesthetic of your store, so this step is crucial. You have a myriad of impressive designs at your fingertips, each offering a different vibe and structure to suit various types of businesses. Whether you're selling clothing, accessories, digital products, or anything in between, there's a theme designed with your niche in mind. And there you have it. By generating themes, you're now set to customize further and continuously tweak your store's design until it matches your vision. Remember, designing your store is not just a one-time process. It can evolve as your business grows and your brand identity becomes more defined. Don't be afraid to experiment with different themes and design elements. Each change can enhance the shopping experience of your customers and potentially improve your sales. Thank you for joining me in setting up your Shopify store. By following these steps, you've laid the foundation for your online business. Keep exploring Shopify's tools and resources to refine and grow your store. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.